I've never been on camera.
I'll take it over. All right. We're gonna be installing an M Sport steering wheel on Rob's car, my old steering wheel. I know we filmed this video already in the past, but you know, now that I don't have a car, I figured why for you guys to build like a bond, like the bond you had with my car. I guess seeing Rob's car build up to what it can be or what it might be in the future, I guess filming this is useful. So we're gonna have to film this install. We're not gonna be showing how to do it crazy. We're just gonna vlog it and have fun. Just, you know, just grab the camera, get out and just film, so kind of thing. So we're gonna grab his car really fast, take the steering wheel off, which we already did actually, and then we're going to I just realized something.
Reinstall what?
Steering wheel's at the shop.
So now we gotta go to the shop and get the steering wheel.
This shop is closed.
Oh!
It is now a day later. I went ahead and went to Best Service Auto Body and picked up the old steering wheel that was in my car. We're gonna be installing that into Rob's F30 today in his 320i. Like I said yesterday, Rob is a little baby and he's scared of things, and he has kids, and he's a safety nerd, so he wants to disconnect the battery. But when me and Mike did it, we didn't disconnect the battery because we're rebels. But yeah, Rob wants to disconnect the battery, so he's gonna do that. And then meanwhile, I'm gonna try and finesse and get the airbag out. But first, let's just record him taking this out. You're gonna lose all your radio stations. You're gonna lose. Oh well. You're gonna have to put the time in again. You're gonna have to fix the date. You're gonna have to do so many things all over again. I'd rather just risk an airbag blowing up in my face. Oh well. And kill the lights. All right, so we got the battery disconnected now. Steering wheel straight, I'm not sure if that really matters. Now we're just gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, something long preferably, and shove a flathead through this little line over here and try to finesse it out. Mike made this look very easy. I remember a lot of you telling us in the comments that you were really struggling with that. I'm probably gonna struggle with this as well. Rob, once I mess up and give up, then you are gonna take a whack at it. If you can't do it either, I'm just gonna try again. We're just gonna keep rotating until we get it. Alrighty, take one. So you put it in you just put it in, you shove it in. Oh my God, it's so tight. Okay, and then you rotate it, and then you just, I can't get it out. Oh, I can't get it. All right, your turn, go for it. Try it with this one first. Remember when you're doing that, make sure you're pulling it out as well. So that, and then turn it, make the flathead straight. Yeah, and then something like that. I think you have to pull it that way or this way. I'm not sure. We're very close to getting it out though. I was close.
Inwards, right?
I believe. It's out. It's just not out. You wanna try the other side? Or?
Yeah, I think that one is popped off.
Rob doesn't know what he's doing.
No idea.
He's just going with the flow. All right, your turn's over. My turn. Give it, hand it over.
What am I feeling for?
I don't know. You just kind of feel it, and you just use it, and you just abuse it. This is like round 3 now. It's not gonna be tight anymore. Yo, what the hell?
There's been a lot of in and outs in there.
Oh shit.
Is that
There's children watching.
Oh. Just kidding. PG guys, PG.
Oh my God! I'm like shoving it in, and it's not coming out.
Dun dun dun. Yo, she really doesn't want to come out.
I'm gonna make her come, don't worry. Yo, come on. I'm just gonna watch this video by this one guy. You know, I'm just gonna watch it. You just see what that guy said.
There's this video this guy Swift made.
Who?
Yeah, some dude named Swift. He made a video.
Is it on YouTube or like forums or something?
I think it's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube. All right, let me check. Oh, M Sport steering wheel retrofit F30.
Yeah, oh, I think that's it. Yeah,
oh,
you're right.
Shit. Okay, let's see. Advertisements. What an ass. He's trying to make money off of us.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow, this guy looks just like me. What the hell?
Whoa, video like inception. Spring system. So when you stick in the screwdriver in this slot right here, you're gonna compress a spring. No. Alrighty.
How did this guy do it so easy? Who is this guy? Where is this guy located? I'm just gonna go to their shop.
Yeah, the first time it's really hard. Okay, so it takes him
oh! This guy's video sucks. He doesn't make it obvious. Switch. Alright, fine. I had a longer turn, that's fair. So I'm gonna say to pull the screwdriver towards us. Yes. So, yeah, so it can go like that. So you need to go like that. While he's trying to figure that out, this is not my car seat, it's his. He's the dad.
Dude, are you getting
Not
a
me.
minivan?
No, I'm not getting a minivan.
Get a Honda Odyssey, bro.
Yeah, let's boost it. Let's boost Odyssey.
Boost it.
I'm serious. Oh,
Got it.
oh. He
That's
got one
one.
side. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Got
wait. Put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back, put it back. Leave it, leave it. It's my turn, it's my turn, it's my turn. It's
Oh,
my
okay,
turn. It's my
okay.
turn, it's my turn. Oh, would you look at that? It was me all along. I did it. Yep, there you go. And then you go ahead and unclip this.
Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yep. I don't know what I'm doing either. It's just, you know, unclip stuff and just hope for the best.
I'm getting up close and personal.
Oh my god, it's not coming out.
The super
You got a flathead?
super tight
Wait,
clip.
you got a flathead.
There's a flathead.
What have we been using, stupid? We're just gonna unclip stuff, and stuff's gonna. I've done this before. All right, and this is
16 millimeter.
16. Yeah, 16. So go ahead, grab your 16 millimeter and take that out.
Where is it? Where are you? So unorganized. Bro, who was using my tools?
So go ahead and grab your 16 millimeter, and this is kind of short, but it's all good. Oh god. Oh!
Did you get it?
Oh! Got it. Now, Mike always told me before you take the wheel off, just pull it off so it's not like, oh my god, you know, like just all over your face. You don't want that. Like, look, we got this out and you're just like, oh, it's not coming off, douche. And you're like, oh my god, my face. Yo, nice quick release, bro. Wow, this looks really weird. Like, no steering wheel. Look, sit, check it out. The no steering wheel life.
Oh!
By the way, I know he's a safety guy, but I just recommend, don't try to do this while driving. I wouldn't do it while driving, no.
Yeah.
Now we gotta grab this. Ooh. Yeah, you want this, don't you? You want this, don't you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take that tape off.
I feel like a kid on Christmas.
Make sure this lines up with that. Make sure it's straight perfectly.
Almost knocked myself out.
There you go.
Yeah, that was easier.
And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your, before you plug it in even, just grab that 16 mil.
Where you threw the nut, bro?
Oh, I don't know. Did you
Right
lose
there.
my nut?
Right there.
Oh, you found it. All right.
I found it.
So put the nut. Make sure you don't bust it. We don't want that on camera. We don't want them to see us bust a nut. Like, that's just bad. That's bad news bears right there. Tighten that shit. I don't know how much you'd have to do it in terms of torque, but just, you know, let it be snug. Snug is good. Damn, that wheel already looks so sick in this.
Oh, man.
I'd say tighten it a little more. Is that, you tightened it?
What if I drive and it just comes off?
You'll be fine. You'll know what to do. You'll figure it out. Don't worry.
Slam on the brakes?
That's not my problem.
No warranty?
That's good right there, yeah. I don't want it to be stripped. And then I think this goes airbag, this goes here. Okay, so plug this in here and that in there.
Plug this in first?
Yes, plug that in there, I believe. Ding! And then make sure it clips or something. I should clip.
I think it clipped.
Oh no, the whole thing moves. That's fine. That's plugged in.
Okay.
Pull it out. See if it comes right out.
Nope.
Okay, it's good.
Tug
And
of
then
war.
plug that in as well. And is there another wire?
Yeah.
Where does that go? I'm not sure. Where
In
that
here?
goes. Yes. Okay. So those clips, plugs, plugs and things and plugs, and you just straighten, make sure you're holding it straight. And do the honors, Rob, and you're done. Boom, you got M Sport steering wheel, man. Good job.
Yes. Boom. Oh my goodness.
This really does make me sad. I remember that day when we installed this into my car, and me and Mike, it was just such a nice, chill, like, night. We were just relaxing.
Oh my god, this is so light.
Really? It's lighter than the M Sport?
Dude, it's super light.
Me and Mike were just chilling in the shop, and I don't know, we're just relaxing, just chilling, having such a good time. We just installed it. And I'm not saying I'm having a good time right now, I am. It's just, I don't know, it was so different than like, I was having so much fun doing that. I really missed that feeling. I wish I could have that again. But I'd hold on to that just in case. You never know, because in case you ever part out, you'll be in my boat and you'll want to sell that because somebody will want that wheel. Look how much nicer that looks. Now, I'd say let's go for a drive.
Let's do it.
And let me know how you like it.
Let's go.
And let's see if the paddles work. So let's do this.
Let's do it.
He's a hype boy. He's a hype boy. You're gonna just leave your airbag here, like all just chilling and shit. Airbag blows up. Seat belts applied. How's it feel already?
Oh man, already it feels great.
Is it thick in the hands?
Yeah. Wait, is that a trick question?
No. It's way thicker than your old wheel.
Yes, it is.
Way thicker than your old one.
Way thicker.
Open that gate, I'm too lazy.
Open sesame.
No, it's unlocked. Go, open it. I'm already seated and belted and chilling and killing and rilling and filling and billing.
Okay, Eminem.
Eminem just dropped his diss track to MGK at the making of this video, and it is freaking crazy. If you haven't heard it, go check it out. It was called, I think, Deadshot or something. It's just, wow. He still got it, yo. He still got it. All right, so as you guys can see, he has the airbag light on because we don't have Mike's beautiful coding skills here with us today. So he's gonna go to Best Service and get that fixed and sorted out whenever you get a chance, right? Watch that pothole. How's it feel?
Feels great.
Already, do this, your first turn. Your first turn with the M Sport wheel.
Left turn. Not making a left turn.
All right, just for shits and giggles, see if the paddles work.
Oh.
All right, so he needs coating. Might need a harness because it's a 320i. I don't know if it's any different, but give a pull for the vlog after the stop sign. Hello. I'm filming right now. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to call you back later. Okay, bye. I don't hear a word you're saying.
I'm pulling.
Do it! Oh shit! Yo, this car sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. Disturbing the peace. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Yo, Brian, give this guy boot mode. Like, get him boot mode ASAP Rocky.
Please.
Cause we need some burbles in this. Watch the pothole. There's a pothole coming. There's a pothole coming. Oh, that's a huge one. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Ow, ow.
The steering wheel feels so sporty.
Really? Bust this right. Actually, no, my gate's open and we're gonna bust the left so we can go quickly back to my house before somebody steals my Burger King.
I literally just pressed the pedal.
Yo, he needs the paddles ASAP. He just tried using them. Yo, I remember when I got my wheel, my paddles weren't working at first. I was so sad. Oh, watch this pothole. Ah, okay, we're good. Rip it! Woo! Woo! That BC life, I got used to the stockies. I got used to the stock suspension already. It's only been a couple weeks, not even a couple days. Oh, give this guy the work. Yo, this is definitely faster than my car. Definitely. Like, I don't hold on like this in my car. Right into the driveway. Scrape.
No.
Nope, you don't scrape with the base model bumper because it sits much higher. I'm on stock suspension and I'm scraping with my M Sport bumper because the lip and everything is just a lower bumper altogether. Ooh, look at the stock John with the Burger King Coca-Cola. All right, so Rob, how are you enjoying that new wheel?
I literally just tried shifting with the paddles. the whole time I'm driving.
Guys, you already know how it looks. Makes the interior look much nicer, as you can see. Totally worth the upgrade. I know you're enjoying it already. I can tell by your face and your excitement. Enjoy it. Next up is the headlights for this car because it has the halogens, the LCI halogens, which will be being put on my car, and then he will get the Depot Angel Eyes. So that'll be sick. We'll finally be photo ready because you know the Angel Eyes make a huge difference. But anyway, guys, that's really it for this vlog. Rob, you have anything to say?
I love you, man. I love this steering wheel.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
No worries. You still owe me monies.
Yeah.
It's all good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.